In our previous videos, we discussed about Shiba Inu coin, and at this time Shiba Swap, a DEX exchange by Shiba Inu company and the SHIB army is also live. And about 30 plus altcoins are live on Shiba Swap exchange. But we discussed about the listing of Shiba Inu coin on eToro exchange. So in this video, we will check it briefly. Stay tuned with us. So guys, eToro list MKR and Engine ENJ, but number of traders, especially the SHIB army, is asking that when you are going to list the Shiba Inu altcoin. So they said that when SHIB, we are on the case to officially list on eToro and plan to share the update soon. Hang tight, SHIB fam. But people are not happy with it because number of people are saying so many stories. Some are saying that it is a scam thing regarding the Shiba Inu altcoin to be listed on number of exchanges. Like Coinbase said that we are going to list the Shiba Inu, but it will take some time. So here you can see the first tweet, same story, Coinbase nothing, eToro isn't going to list a token that can't even keep a small gain. I am glad I pulled my money while I still had a small profit. SHIB is dead. No one wants to admit Shiba Swap is a failure, and as of today no profit listed, so I am done with the scam. But the SHIB army is entirely excited and they are saying that very soon we are going to be listed on the eToro main platform. What you think about it? Do let me know. Secondly, a huge news from the Shiba Inu that they have more than 600,000 holders of their altcoin Shiba Inu. So what you think about the price idea? As per my own idea, I'm not a financial advisor and always invest that money which you afford to lose in crypto. So definitely this coin will remove these two zeros very soon, in hardly next 1 month or hardly in 2 months. So overall, the idea behind this altcoin is good and the Shiba Swap is working perfectly. Number of big altcoins are going to be listed on this main platform. And are you using the Shiba Swap? Do let me know in the comment section. And very soon we are going to hear some big news regarding this altcoin, as they already saying that this weekend we will run a tournament of the Rocket League for the SHIB army. Watch us on the Twitch. If any influencer will take the entry in this altcoin Shiba Inu, then definitely the price will reach up to 0.007 or 0.008, but not at 1 cent. But still, the team and also the SHIB army is working perfectly at this time. But from last 1 month, they are unable to list this altcoin on any renamed and remarkable exchange. Like Coinbase said that they are going to list this altcoin, but after some days, before I think 24 hours of the listing, they said that it will take some more time to list the Shiba Inu altcoin, but we are going to list some other altcoins. Same goes with eToro, because all the armies, especially the SHIB army, was so much excited that this Monday the Shiba Inu will be on the eToro. But now the eToro also said that it will take some time to list the Shiba Inu altcoin on their main platform.